Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to create professional audio spectrum like this. By the way, I have started a new playlist in my channel which is called Quick Tips, so have a look at it. So first of all, create a new composition by clicking and rename any name you want. Now import the project file you want to use in your video. The project file I am using will be there in the link in the description down below. Import the background. Create a new solid. With any color you want, but I will go with darkened blue. We are gonna press T for transparency, and I'm gonna shrink it down like that. In background, I'm gonna add an expression which is called wiggle. Then let's create a new composition called create a new solid. Add an audio down below. Audio. In our spectrum layer, add an effect called audio spectrum. Select the audio you want to be played by audio spectrum. Let's take some settings. Be free to play with any setting you want. I will go with those settings there. Let's add another effect called Minimax. In Minimax, set it to 10, and color, set it to color and light, alpha and color, and make it horizontal only. You can come back and take some settings. Let's add the last effect called Venetian blind. Make it 90. fill. Make it white. There. Now let's posit it. Spectrum layer. You can add the audio spectrum you added, or make sure to make different names, you'll forget. Add the image. Add the CD. Change the mode to alpha mode. If you don't see here, just click the switch. You'll find it here. Add the same image again. Add a rounded edge shape. Let's change the alpha mode to alpha mate again. There. Let's add our text. Add our timer. Posit it in timer. Click on text, then hold Alt and press on source text, then add an expression which is provided in the link in the description. Here it is. Select all, copy, go to After Effects and paste it here. Right now we have something like this, and there we have it, guys.